Hello everyone and welcome to the 7th episode of SAT Math series. So let's take a look at this question. The function f is defined by fx equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. The graph of y equals to fx in the xy plane passes through the points 7, 0 and negative 3, 0. If a is an integer greater than 1, which of the following could be the value of a plus b? So let's get started real quick with the points that were given, right? Because these two happen to be x-intercepts, which are roots of the original function. So we can actually write the function as f of x equals to a, because that's our main coefficient, x minus 7, and x plus 3, because these are our given roots slash solutions to the function, right? So we have to switch the signs whenever we put them into function format. And we can expand this, right? So a x squared minus 4x minus 21, you can FOIL this out, which basically equals to ax squared minus 4ax minus 21a. Alright, so that is our function. And now we have to match this to the ax squared plus bx plus c format. So over here we can do a plus b, which we're supposed to find the sum of, equals to literally a, because that is our coefficient, plus minus 4a, because that is our coefficient for b, which equals to negative 3a, right? So now we basically kind of like do a heat and trial system where we can kind of guess values for a into the sequence, right? So we can start off with 2, because in the question it's given if a is an integer greater than 1, which means the least value we can try on is 2. So negative 3, and for a we do 2, equals negative 6, right? We can do that for 3, which is negative 9. We can do that for 12 as well, which happens to be, oh, I gave you the answer. We can do this for 4 as well, which is 12, negative 12. So you see the pattern here where the numbers simply decrease, and the least number that is actually with one of our options is negative 6, because the rest of the options are greater than negative 6, and this sequence takes negative 6 as the highest number and rolls down continuously. So therefore, the answer has to be A, because the rest of the options are simply not even in this sequence. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more SAT tips and tricks.